Hello and welcome back to another casual night chit chat show. It is episode 5b. That's right. It is the second half, and like this episode is in general a bit lacking of stuff because I have a lot of things that I want to prepare for it, and I failed. No, right? Straight up, I failed for this week, and that is not cool. All right, so let me get set up a few things. Brawlers doesn't want to load up. That's not great. What we want to do is we want to still continue a little thing on the raid system that I have I won't say reinvent, but I want to rewrite a few, and I think this is a much better uh, what do you call this? Not to say idea, but the next best execution. You know what? Let's stick to idea. I don't have it. I want to find a word for it, but I could not find the magic word. Okay, give me a sec while I do everything. Hey there, Lou. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for raiding. Yeah. If you ask me, I am really unprepared for not saying unprepared for today, but I got lots of things on my laundry list and I have not even typed a lot of stuff. Okay. Just for a recap, for those who are new here, I am actually streaming and recording this whole entire thing for YouTube as well. So if I detour a little bit and talk like a normal YouTube video, yeah, that's probably it. All right, that's number one. Number two, obviously for those who are new to the stream, I usually play brawlers for the first 30 minutes, and then we're gonna move on to the topic for tonight. Now, unfortunately, I don't really have a topic for tonight because I reserve some of them for future episodes, or rather for next week and the week after, because today, or rather this week, my task that I've set for myself is to get ready for season 0. That's right. I need to get all this thing up and running by next week. Officially, we will run season 0. This is basically an alpha test, beta test thingy for my game that I'm making. Hey there, Victor. Welcome to the stream. So a quick little tour to no, wrong window to the Discord. I do have a Discord channel, but they are mainly used for what you call this announcement and whatnot, and that's it. All right, this is for me to keep track on a lot of stuff as well, mainly on the game development. So quick recap: we have a Series 3 February drop, which is live. You guys can claim it if you do not have it yet. It requires a Series 3 membership promo. Basically, a Series 3 base membership NFT. As much as I don't want to use it, but I think that's how people will remember. And if you do not have it, good news. If you're viewing this stream, it is free. Just put your Wax wallet in the chat and I will airdrop it directly. No, I will add you into the whitelist so you can claim. If not, for those who view this on a later date, not live, then I'll probably, the other only way to get it is either you pay 10 wax, which is relatively cheap, this is to combat bots, and of course, Twitter giveaway. All right, so that's that. And let's begin with, all right, so double check a few things. I want to go through some of the development vlogs. So last week episode, I have not cleaned up because I was really prepping this thing up, and I think I find a nice balance in between for season 0. Yeah, you will send out your avatar for an adventure, and then it will fight with boss, and I just need to fine tune that a little bit. So season 0 is the balancing part, but for those who participate in season 0, by the end of season 0, you will be awarded with something. All right, it's for sure. All right, so previous episode we have the gameplay for the raid gameplay. It's built, not ready for prime time. Yeah, first test. This is the first official test that was last week. Yeah, so there's lots of issue like attack and whatnot, which is kind of failed last week, but it was fixed. Gameplay, all right, so this just extra notes for myself. Remaining tasks, I need an animation, so I have attack animation. If we have enough time for today, I will do a live animation for the date. No, for the KO date, yeah, basically that animation. And of course, we have scalable HP. Yeah, AI roaming is still broken. UI, unfortunately, we don't have a UI for that. That's sad. Adventure, yeah. So I put myself a note here. We need to rework. Last stream, which is 2 days ago, there is a question, right, for myself is why did I make the mini game and whatnot? Does it really impact the main game? So these are the few questions for myself. And of course, I've been trying to test out the adventure plus raid mini game, which I did not have enough time per se since, not say since last week, since the weekend, which is painful. How long can the Twitch party last? Okay, so this is basically just extra notes for myself. Boss encounter reward system. Yeah, okay, boss attack animation. All right, so these are the tasks. Okay, so that's a quick little recap. Really not much. Truth to be told, really not much. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna do a live test. Okay, so I will switch a lot of windows. So bear with me a little bit. I'll switch back and forth. And at the same time, I'll be queuing up for the game for brawlers. For those who do not know, I mean, not say for do not know. I will try to queue up for the first half an hour. After that is, yeah, we're gonna go full on game dev time. All right, so gonna remove this first and transition. Okay. So first thing, this is how it looks like, the overlay. Right now, everything is like a placeholder. We don't really have a nice, cool stuff. Because if I click play, you probably can see how it looks like on, let me get all the green screen up and running. All right, so if I do this, no, wrong window. Oh, no, this is the correct window. Okay, yes. No. Okay, Unity. Yikes. All right, I messed up this part up. That is because I was preparing it for Rag League. Okay, not gonna go too much. So we're gonna focus on this a little bit. So by default, right now, to join, all you need to do is register first. Okay, once you register, right, everything will be prompted up. Then we go for an adventure. All right, so now we have our little avatar out, or rather my avatar is out here. Now I supposed to have a command to spawn the boss. Previously was a different thing. So that is the task for today. If I can do this live, that would be great. I did the attack animation for the boss as well. I just need to code it in. All right, so we have a game and it's with Bricker. We're gonna switch to this, confirm. Now one of the biggest reason why I'm doing this live is to give people an idea. Like, I am not the best game developer out there. Okay, I'm just some hobbyist newbie, right? Greenhorn, I think that's what they call, right? Basically new, not even a pro, not even hired for it. So there we go. Basically, I'm just learning game development on the side. And of course, a lot of things like, hey, how long does it take to make a game? Those are the things that I love to ask. How long does it take to implement certain things in the game? That's also another thing to ask as well. But hold on there. I'm gonna put a pin. I think we have a frozen game. Yeah, frozen game. I'm gonna give it for a while. Yeah, I think it's a frozen game because supposed to be. And this is the part where opponent connection lost. Okay, it says opponent connection loss. Oh, had a freeze. Okay, cool. Great. Nah, that's, I mean, that's all right. It's all right. So these are the few things that I want to learn because number one, right? Reason number one is I would say when you're in a game, not say game, all right. So we are talking mainly on the Web3 side, okay? We're not talking about basic game development, although it is kind of tied to per se. So I want to know how long does it take to make a game in the Web3 space, or not say in the Web3 space, but using the time frame that a Web3 project has. Yep, that's the main idea. And of course, I would like to tackle, right? I would like to make a meme game. Not say meme, yeah, since it's a meme coin, right? Make a meme game out of the failed games out there and make it as a standalone game. Yes, make it as a standalone game, which means you don't need crypto, you don't need NFT, you can just play it as it is, and then we will see whether the game is working or not. Yeah, that's it. Because I played a lot of Web3 games out there, and some of them are interesting, some of them I won't say have potential, but they have the idea that I like to see it, but maybe my expectation was way too high. Gonna put a pin. We're gonna focus on this game just a little bit, and oh my goodness, flags. When I played a tree, ugh, ugh. Unfortunately, this round, yeah, Brichter got ahead by quite a lot. I'm gonna give a I'm gonna return the I want to return the favor. I really want to do return the favor, but 3-1 slightly a bit weaker. Slightly, at least 3-8 I can try to catch. 7. Oh, is that 7, 7, 7, 8? I think it is, okay. I think it is. 7, 7, 7, 8. Yeah, I think it is, because it's too good. It's too good not to it's too good to be a flex, but I want to just challenge. Yeah. No, that's it. That's it. If I play 1-1, I could just ditch that. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna flex. We're gonna flex all until we get an advantage. 5. I could 5 in. No, that's about it. That's about it. Just punch my way in, and let's see if it sticks. Yes, number 1 sticks. All right, now what we're gonna do is gonna move on to the next one. See if it sticks again. We're gonna do a double flex follow up. Now the question is, because this is Brichter, I think it's a little bit, just a little bit, okay? I didn't say it's easier, but just a little bit easier. Unfortunately, it's a this is tough, okay? This is tough. This is tough. I want to do 7-1, okay? True to be told, I want to do a 7-1. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Go for broke. Go for broke. 6-8. Yeah, if Brichter calls us a 6-8, easy. Easy. Oh, because if I played 7-7, we could have reset the whole thing. We could have reset, but I want to be a bit greedy. Failed. It's GG already. Power meter equals to my health. It's lethal. Yeah, GG. Nothing else I could do already. Everything is a dot. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards in the hand. Easy can slap me. Easy. Plus I have to do a lot of catch up. So, and to top it off, this is not even a power card. It's not even a power card. If it's a power card, sure, might be able to get it in. But if it's not, it's gonna be an uphill battle. 20 HP versus 2 power meter. I can't do much. I can't do much. Unless I got super. Wow. Yep, no, even the game says nope. Roper nope. I could play, like, now I see it's a 3, right? Yeah, for all we can play like a 4-7, you know, get it in. But this is definitely a full discard. All right, whatever. 6, 7, 8. My guess is 6, 7, 8 he will hold. 5, even 6 also probably can get rid. 5, 6, yeah, keep the 7 and 8. If this is, okay, I'll say this. If this is not an 8, I would be disappointed. But 7, yes. 7, yes. Let's see if he takes the bait. I mean, let's see if he, yeah, let's see if he takes the bait. Yes. No? Don't want to take the bait? Ah, boo. Boo, I try to run. We only can do 2 good ones. Or rather 2 normal ones. 7, 7? 7, 8? Yeah, 7, 8. I knew it's a 7, 8. That's what I said. If it's not a 7, 8, I'll be disappointed. GG. Alright, cool. So that's that for Brawlers. Yeah, simple game. Simple and easy game. Again, the team has lots and lots of assets. Now, one of the biggest reason why I choose 3D. Number one, I like 3D. 2D is a whole different thing. And truth to be told, this game made me dive in a little bit deeper to see how much can I make a game. Yeah, because Brawlers, I mean, mechanic wise, it's there already. Yeah, you can't run anywhere else. It's solid. So when you have a solid game play, what else do we put in? That is always the question. Always the question. Okay, anyway, I would let Q this on the side, and we're gonna continue and work this game. So now we have this guy popped up. The next thing is I should have a command that popped in a boss, which I don't have right now because I'm rewriting this part. And now we're gonna rewrite a little bit. So I'm gonna bring this guy up. Gonna bring in the okay, so I'm switched to the coding part. So I'm gonna stop the game. I'm gonna nope, go away. Right, because yeah, there we go. Switch this and then club announcement. All right, cool. Sample scene. All right. Yeah, need to do a little. Yeah, sure, Britta. It's okay. It's okay. I am ready for all this stuff. All right, sweet. We have our code up and running. And then we switch. Okay, cool. Now, oh, go away. Press the wrong button. I really need a stream deck right now. Oh, okay. So now we have the raid. Let's see. We want to go through some of the perimeters for the raid. And one of the reasons why I'm going to show my code is if I were to talk at the back without showing the code, lots of people are wondering what am I doing. Yeah, so that's what it is. So okay. So once we have we have spawned avatar. Doop, done. If the boss is active, then we need to do something, which is the next step. But we don't want to see this step. We want to see our command. Adventure, raid time. Yes, so raid time. Start raid. Okay, start raid. Start raid. What we're gonna do is we can coroutine. So this sequence, all right? Chat cooldown. We want to block the chat. Spawn boss. This is review. Yeah, this is basically the HP slider. It's UI. Just gonna put it there as a bookmark, as a note. Message. All right, so the difference is because I want this to be automated down the line. So for now, I'm just going to use it as a manual way to do it, just to test out the mechanic before I make it automated. Raid is active, chat cooldown. Okay, now this part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this guy because we don't really need this anymore. I'm just gonna comment it out a little bit. Now, next part is we want to check if there are players out there. It's just a quick little thing. So if there's players, so we're gonna check is, so every time you spawn a player, we want to, yeah, it adds to the list. So we want to check the list. If the count is more than 0, which is we have one player there, I can do a different way. I can do more equals to 1 if I want to, but I think more than 0 is the easiest, less line. Hey there, Nemo, welcome to the stream. Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. Also, yeah, I will offer. Wait, yes, I did announce there's a season 0, so I will do an official announcement. Not say announcement. I would type out the text later on the announcement, and then I'm gonna copy paste to Twitter, and then that will be the official announcement, right? So for you guys, you basically get all the bits and pieces right now. Okay. Anyway, if raider list is more than 0, it's more. What we're gonna do is we're gonna loop. If there's players out there, switch to boss raid mode. So basically everyone will be attacking the boss. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna double check here. Okay, copy this. All right, so we're gonna loopity loop. Okay, no. All right, so this part I need to check my avatar. And my avatar is not loaded. All right, my avatar is not loaded. So let me load up the script for my avatar, which takes a little while because I need to build the script that I've just wrote, which is something that I enable it by default for Unity. Like every time I save a script, it will rebuild. Some people say it's a little bit too slow. Maybe I would say a bit too annoying, but I think it's all right. Okay. Okay, so we want to get the Twitch avatar. Yes, got it. Okay, first thing first. Twitch start. No, don't care. Remove. All right, so remove boss set to roaming. We want to clean up this part here. There we go. Avatar remove boss set to roam. So we want to, instead of typing a line here, we can now disable this. Later I'll do a cleanup. Lots of things to clean up. Okay, oh, just realized. That's the reason why I put there. That's the reason why I put it over there. Okay, I'll figure this thing out. All right, so setup, remove boss. No, now we don't want to remove boss. Now we want to raid mode. Okay. All right, put here first. So if this works, that means every time I spawn a boss, it will be good to go. Raider list, get component. We want to get the raid avatar manager. Okay, sweet. Now from here, raid mode, what do we need to do is, okay, so we don't need you. Okay, setup. So no, this is the old way of my typing. Twitch avatar, retrieve. So this retrieving stuff. Save. All right. Ape avatar set to target. Okay, so this is check if boss is spawn. Okay, so now we want to copy this part and put it here. So now we can just do like this. Raid mode check. Check if, oh, looks like we have a game today. I mean, we have another game. It's with Daily Buddha. Let me finish this typing first. So, check if boss is spawn. There we go. And now we can play. All right, gonna swap the screen. Always remember to swap the screen, because if I don't swap, people are wondering, what am I talking? What am I yapping about? That was last week, right? Last week I forgot to switch one of the scenes. And then I realized, oh no, I was talking on something, and then the visual doesn't sync up. Oh, that was horrible. It was a good game though. That's a fun thing. It was a good game, and uh. Also, I just realized I have not published last week's episode to YouTube, so I'm gonna do it later today. So many logistics to do. I need to have a routine schedule. Okay, gonna put a pin on that for now. We're gonna focus on on this game, and let's see how far can we go. We are fighting against. It's not Daily Diamond, aka aka Zach Tree Ray Zach. Or is it Gray? Gray? No, I can't really read properly. Zach. See Zach Tree Ray GG. Yeah. Zach Tree. You know what? I'm just gonna call it this Zach. Alright. This guy's Zach. I'm gonna play a 2-2. I'm gonna play a 2-2 on a round 3. Round 3 is a bit tough for me to do. I'm not say tough for me to do anything. I want to bet 2 into it. I really, really want to bet into it. 8-8? 8-8. Yeah. Now, one of the biggest reason is, sure, if it's a flex, yeah, that's actually a very nice flex. But I am on 3 card, which I am actually, in the long run, I probably will be bleeding. Okay, I play 7-8 this round because I want to see if I can trap. If yes, great. If no, boo-hoo-hoo. If not, I can do 7-1. 7-8, 7-8, show me. Yeah, 7-8, 7-8. Luckily, it wasn't a 7-1. If it's a 7-1, I'll be pain. Yeah, I'll be in the world of pain. Yeah. So now we got lots of damage in. We cash in the damage. Sadly, it's a reset. So normally after reset, some would like to flex in. I would need to double check on this. So we're gonna play a 3-6 regular. And if this guy plays a high card, I'm gonna do a 1 check. The 1 check would tell me whether this guy is gonna be aggressive or not. And I will go for it. There we go. A flexed. Yeah, a flex. Yeah, the one, this is basically 1 check. However, some will 1 check me on 1 check back me, which is painful. Okay, truth to be told, it's gonna be painful. We're gonna play a 1-1. The 1-1 is useless for me right now. 6. Okay. 6. Technically I could go for it. That's a 2. It's a flex. It's an okay flex. It's an okay flex. Like I said, I could have capitalized that, but I don't need to per se, because I can just do this right now. Now, if Zach has a 8, I'll be slightly upset. GG. GG. But yeah, tie, and we are done. If this is 7-7, it will be hilarious. No, 7-7, I'll give you prop. If it's a 7 flex, it is hilarious. No, but 7 flex is actually quite good. 7 flex or 7-8. 7-7 would be hilarious. Or would it be hilarious? GG. GG to you, Zach. Would 7-7? 7-7 is actually quite strong as well. Yeah, but maybe is it enough? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think it's hilarious. No, I'll take it back. 7 flags would be the play. 7-8 would also be the play. 7-7. 7-7. Okay. 7-7 probably lost. Because 7-7, that's if that's the best hand for a 7-7, then that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Nope. I don't have comment for the last hand. I don't really have a comment. Oh, we have Daily Diamond. We have Daily Diamond. Now, Daily Diamond on one end has lots of 8 magnet. Let's see if I can get through it. I don't like to go down on the first round, so we're gonna bet and take 1 damage. Doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. Second hand would be interesting. We're gonna follow up with a flex, although I can play a 6-6. If Daily Diamond plays a 1 or a 3, I'll be in a world of hurt. We're gonna do... Yeah, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna go for it. Might as well. Just take the brute force. 5-8. 5-8 would have bad in. 5-8. 6-6. Yeah, I still lose on the 6-6. I still lost on the 6. I still lose. It's a loss. It's a loss when you play an 8. Usually would I call an 8 over there? Oh, this is not a 5-7. I won't play 6-7, but 6-7 I think it's 6-7 maybe 4. Yeah, that's a 4. Easy 4. Now sad part is I'm still down. I'm still down. Power meter 3. 24 health. No power card. That is bad. I'm getting punished. This is textbook full for me. Yeah, can't do much. I'm really down with cards, so I need to get some cards. Unfortunately, I have to take... Power meter it's decent. I mean, not so bad if I take the hit, but it is bad. So we're gonna try to see if this can stabilize the game. If not, this is a gambit. Okay, 6-1. This is a very gambit, and oh my goodness, we are going out with a 1. We are going out. I'll pressure. I'll pressure for the sake of pressuring. Yeah. I'll pressure. I could have played 6-7 and then gambit failed. Looks like Daily Diamond managed to read that hand. Or rather, that play before my hand was played. That's the thing. Managed to read that play before my hand was played. So GG. I don't think I can catch it up already. It's bad. It's bad. That's an easy fold. See, the thing is, fold and then bad because he plays a 1-3. Well, maybe because play 1-3 and bad, right? But then again, that's a good read. And then fold when I play a 7-7. For all we know, I could have flexed all the way in, like now. But then again, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is a 6 or a 7, most likely it's an 8. Yeah, 6, 7, most likely an 8. 3. Oh, interesting. 4. Yeah. See that 1-3 play was like I said, either is a fantastic read. And I think it's a good read. You know what? I'll give that. Got outplayed a little bit. Now, can we get back? Okay, 3 HP. Can we get back? Oh, do I suppose to play a flex? Do I suppose? I think I should be flexing, because you know why? Doesn't matter if I win or lose on the hand, because Daily Diamond's at 6 cards. Because if I lose, sure, I mean it's already done because of the 1-3 play. But at least I get to chip more damage if I were to win. Now I'm in a limbo. The problem is I'm in a limbo. But yeah, it's GG. Because I supposed to flex. Yeah, unfortunately. All right. I don't think he needs to do anything, so I'm gonna play a 1-3, and then that's an 8-8 GG. Yeah. So this part doesn't really, I mean, this round really doesn't matter if I were to flex the previous round or not. Although if I flex the previous round because I hold an 8, the odds of getting double 8 is slightly lesser. Yeah, it's basically trying to avoid your opponent to draw too many 8s. But still, GG. GG. Yeah. Tisk tisk. Yeah, good read. Good read on the 1-3. I mean, that was a good read. All right, so that's that. That's all I have for the half an hour. We're gonna move on back to the, I won't say the topic at hand, but we need to move to this part because I need to get this thing done before next week. We're gonna have a season 0. All right, so the official announcement would be season 0 will be starting next week. And oh, before I do anything, let me bring out. Ta-da! All right, cool. So this is it. Okay, so season 0, what we're gonna do is for those who are tuning in, this mainly for Twitch viewers only. Right, season 0 is exclusively only for Twitch viewers. In fact, actually, I think most of the season is exclusively for Twitch viewers. One reason is because it is an interactive game per se, so participation is key, right? And that's the reason why it's gonna be there, and that's it. Now, how can I implement seasonal thing for the collection or the collectibles? I don't really have an answer yet, so I'm gonna explore a little bit during season 0. Season 1, maybe I can start opening it up to normal collectors. One of the things that I want to do is I want to make a the NFT that is upgradable, and then that part I do not know. See, the thing is I do not know anything about that part, so I can't really implement it. And that's the pain. Yeah. Anyway, so that's that. All right. And to participate, obviously you need to send your avatar for an adventure. That's the reason why I need this to work as best as it can by next week. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on this first. Right. So red. And then I'm going to reset the score. So score will start officially 0 next week. And then we're going to see how much you can get the score. The reward for season 0 would be a cosmetic item and a drop, right? The cosmetic item will be determined by the winner. And of course, there are a few inputs that any participant... okay, how do I reword this? The winner will determine the item per se, all right, or rather the biggest influence for the item, and everyone else who participate gets to chime in and vote. Yeah, I need to fix that a little bit. All right, basically you get a cosmetic item and it'll be heavily influenced by you, right? Okay, so that's that. Raid mode. Okay, raid mode. There we go. Get game object. Get boss. Oh no, I don't need to do get boss because by default there's only one boss will always be on the game itself. So this one automatically will pick up with this flag over here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so once we go raid mode, we need to disable roaming mode. Set position. Okay. Alright, so there we go. I'm gonna switch this for here for a while because I need to load up another script. There's so many scripts. There's like scriptception. And then after that, I need to make sure the boss attack animation is working, make sure all of you guys are taking damage if you are participating. Yeah, that's a lot of things to do. All right, lots and lots of things to do for this. Okay, do I have? No, unfortunately, this part I couldn't show much because I am going through a few things. Okay. Now I can go to, yeah, all right, so this is the the AI script that I've made. All right. So tonight's task, or rather this episode task, is to make sure boss can be loaded on the spot. Okay, disable roaming. Is roaming true? Yeah, roaming false. Okay, we don't really need the rest because find new target. Because we really put this set target to move, which is down here. Oh, automatically it says roaming false. Okay, so it's done. In a way, it's done. All right, let me switch this so I can launch the game, make it, and then we're gonna test it out. And if it works, fantastic. That's one major task. I rewrite, so that's great. That's great. What else? What else do I have on the table? Actually, I have a few more tasks at hand, to be honest. Actually, lots and lots of tasks. Lots and lots of tasks. Okay, I need to change my window. Beep. All right. So what I'm gonna do is register first. Register. Okay. Adventure. Okay. Read time. There we go. Boss pops up. Attack. Yes, it worked. Even the HP goes down. All right, cool. Cool. All right, so I need to adjust. All right, everything is working. Everything is working. I'm happy. That's great. Let me go through some of the code again because some things I need to change the trigger method and the. So we go here. We're gonna go back to the code. First thing first, we want to change the announcement. Okay, Mr. Sign up avatar for challenge. All right, so we don't need this guy anymore. To be challenged. Turns out it's avatar. You know what? I don't want too much, too complex grammar. Okay, done. Next up, what we want to do is we want to make sure the boss, when the boss is dead, the boss disappear. Now, unfortunately, I don't think I have enough time for tonight to do a KO animation or a death animation, so I'll just chill for now. So with this, I will swap back to. Do I need to swap back? No, I have to load up. Okay, hang in there. Let me load up, and my script is compiling. Okay, cool. So what we want to do is we want to keep spawning the boss every time I type a command, because if it works, then I can automate that part, and that is how you're gonna score for season 0. Every time you send your ape, your avatar, not ape, right? Your avatar, because ape is the character, and because right now it's the Twitch avatar save system, so it becomes your avatar rather than, and technically it is an ape. Ape. Yeah, send your ape out. You know what? Fine, send your ape out. All right, so we want to get season 0 up. I have a few plans for this year, and I hope I want to make it happen. I really want to make it happen. Okay. So no. There we go. We want to do is now we want to open up our boss. And boss. Okay. So for the boss, this is the boss. The boss is hilarious. Yeah, I need to set all the what do you call this? All the facial expression and animation and whatnot. Okay. Unfortunately, the boss was made in a way where it's what do you call this? It's I'll call it sloppy, right? Not say sloppy. Yeah, sloppy code. Because I just hack my way. Not say hack my way. I just write for the sake of getting it done. So it is still under the Raid Avatar Manager. Okay, so this is the part I need to focus on a little bit. AI simple. Okay, so boss. I did put a command. Command over here that says temporary. Remove boss. Okay. Set to roaming. No. Okay, remove target. And no, this is the wrong code. Yeah, not yet, Brichter. Not yet. Game is not up yet. I mean, if it's up, it's 60 sec. There is a delay, so it's not up. Avatar boss script. Okay, there we go. That's the boss script. Found you. All right. Okay, so boss script is very straightforward. They are still using the script manager. All right, so when boss is dead, all right, so this part really requires a dynamic rewrite because we need to double check like how many players on the field so that the HP will change, but it will not change during the fight. Okay, temp build, no, this is boss receive. This is now a permanent feature, which is not safe. Yeah, permanent feature. Okay, boss is dead. Do game over. Just clean up it. Okay. Set to no. This is trigger, so trigger function. Next, we want to do is we want to get a sequence. There we go. Let's copy this and put here. What did I write over here? Cooldown sequence. All right. What we want to do is we want to okay. We don't need you. We don't need you. All right. So basically, this is how long would the boss stays on the field. This would change to the to the death animation or KO animation. So that's that. Start coroutine. This is a despawn. There we go. Spawn. Wait. Destroy. This game object. Okay, so that's it. That is it. Okay. Let it compile. So if this works, that means I can keep spawning the boss. And oh, I just realized episode 5 is in the month of February. Wow, time really flies. Time really flies, and I did nothing. Okay, so boss, everything is done. I will double check. And then, do we have enough time to implement? Okay, we can do a boss hit animation. Can do a boss hit animation. Register. Okay, yeah, register. And then adventure. Oh, I'm supposed to do. Alright, we're gonna do a test later. Raid time. Okay, There we go. Gonna make this a little bit more interactive, give a nice little view. Sadly, our boss is faceless because a lot of things I haven't set up yet. Okay, yes, all right. Boss disappears. Ta-da! And when boss disappears, I suppose to send out a notification on chat as well. So we're gonna get that up and running, but not a main priority at the moment. We want to make sure the stuff is running. Okay, we're gonna do another raid time. And automatically it should go. Next is there is an error on, oh, there's an error. Okay. There is an, okay, no, the error is not important. Error is mainly the boss doesn't have a few things up and running. Okay, cool. Cool, everything is working as intended. And if you want to test, you can test while I prepare for the next section. The next section is we're going to animate a boss hit. So every time a character hit or your avatar hits the boss should show a hit animation. And during the hit animation, the boss cannot do anything. I think I'm going to code it that way. And then the boss should show a face that is that got hit. Yeah. Great time. Okay, this one I'm curious because I need to see one thing. Oh, look at the face. That's bad. That's a bad face. Okay, I need to fix that. Oh no, it's hilarious. Hilarious. Alright, at least the facial expression changed. The problem with that is I did not change a few things, so I'm gonna stop the game for now. Actually, I'm curious. I need to see that. Oh no, it's bad. It's bad. All right, so we're gonna put that up. We're gonna change the what do you call this? The texture of the face, because the face is all messed. The texture is all messed up. There we go. Yep, there we go, and then boop. Okay. Correct. Skin. Okay, so it's basically skin red. Really? Skin red fur? Wow, I think I need to change a lot of things. Okay. Alright, so that's correct. Yeah, alright, sweet. I'm gonna send out again, and then we're gonna close. I think we can, yeah, we can officially close today's episode, or rather end the episode with a quick animation. That's right. That's right. And then stay tuned for more information. I'm gonna try my very best to get everything up for next week. Tuesday, episode 6, we will start season 0. All right. Register. And then the next part is if I were to start running the game and might not do the, oh, okay, I need to do this first. Hold on a sec. I was thinking ahead of time. And I don't know what to say. I got tongue twisted. All right, cool. Yeah. All right. So this fails because, yeah. There we go. That's bad. That's bad. Okay. This is bad. All right. Gonna swap this out. No. No. Failed. Failed. All right. First thing first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reset a lot of things. Yeah, apparently some of the stuff it's it's messed up and I don't record too much already. That's too much. That is way too much. All right, so I'm gonna reset. Let me reset this. Reset. Oh. Revert. Revert. Okay, you know, I'll do this later. Now we're gonna do a quick animation. A quick animation. Before then we end. Almost. We almost got it right today, but no. The facial expression and whatnot is messed up. Okay. First thing first, let me reset a few things. Yeah, all right, let's do this. No, I don't want to use this expression. Hurt is, yeah, there we go. For now, I'm going to use this. And then for the face, the thing about this is because I'm using a very interesting way of controlling the facial expressions. Yeah, I can make it blank. I would do this. No. The 7th. No, it is 5, I think. No, I think it's 7. There we go. Okay, now for this, what I'm gonna do now is just gonna do a quick little hit animation. So I'm gonna create a clip and call it hit. Got hit. Okay, and then I will go and put this under you, and you. Okay, so first thing first, when I got hit, usually I'll just arc back a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is, how are we gonna do this? We're gonna select the bone. Got hit. All right. Add properties, rotation. Yeah, I think I can do this quick in less than 5 minutes. And then we're gonna, yeah, from here, most of the time it's easy to polish. Okay, there we go. And then do we want to, we want to get the head a little bit as well. So skadoosh. Okay, so first thing first, very straightforward. I would like to rotate. So we're gonna have a rotation here. 1, 2, and 3. Now the question is, do we want to make it more expressive or not? Dish, dish. All right, so if I were to play, there we go. Easy, easy. Yeah, but we're gonna add a little bit more, right? I'm gonna add a little bit more. I would like to do is, we're gonna add a oh, we can't do that expression. The expression is broken right now, so I'm not gonna attempt. We're gonna do this. Now, do we want the hands to flail out a little bit? If the arms, and I want the hands to flail out. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do a rotation, and we're gonna do a rotation here. Okay, boop, done. So we're gonna rotate out a little bit. Rotate out a little bit. We're gonna spread the hands just a little bit. Okay. And then I think that's it. I think this is good. All right, gonna let it play. Yeah, a little bit more exaggerated. Do we want to do anything else? One last one, all right, one last one. Actually, I don't think I need it anymore. dish, dish, dish. Um. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna change the head movement. Change the head movement. Ugh. Yep, I'm gonna change the head. Okay, cool. I think this is nicer. Yeah. It's like you got a gut punch. And then to top it off, the avatar is only like this tall. Can I? You know what? One last one. One last one. I think this is much nicer. I think this is much nicer. Dish, dish. But the problem is doesn't rotate too much, right? A little bit more. And a little bit more. And yeah, just gonna give a little bit more extreme expression. Okay, do let me know if you like the head tilted a little bit more back or whatnot, because this feels like a little bit correct in terms of the height of the boss versus your avatar. And with that, that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for tuning in, my friends. I really do appreciate, and hopefully I get a lot of things done by next week. We're gonna officially launch season 0 for Project ACG. And of course, I will do some random tests as well. One of the tests is mutable NFTs. I want to try to do the upgrade and whatnot. And this is mainly to prepare for season 1. If it works, I think it's going to be fantastic. If it doesn't work, I learned something. And with that, I hope you guys, stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned. And I hope you guys enjoy the stream for tonight. Until then, I wish you good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night wherever you are. Have a nice day, my friends. Stay safe. Until then, I will see you guys same time, same place, 9 p.m. PT time every Tuesday and Thursday. And for those who are watching on YouTube, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more. All right, casual night chit chat show. Until then, see ya, my friends. Whew. This week's gonna be interesting.